Hi, we're the girls from Cuckoo's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
And I'm Kelly.
And so we're going to start with our boneless lamb. So you want to wash it and you want to...
So it's a butterfly leg of lamb.
Yeah, you could find it in the store. Usually it's pre-packed and cryovac, and or you could just buy a leg of lamb and butterfly it yourself, whichever you're most comfortable with. This I bought already butterflied. And so we rinsed it off, we patted it dry, and now we're going to make our marinade. And we're going to start...
Classic Greek seasonings here.
Classic Greek. So there's sea salt, garlic powder, and ground oregano, some dried oregano. And we're going to put those in a little cup here, and we're going to mix them all together. Okay. And then you can mix that up.
Sure.
And then I'm just going to add some lemon juice to some olive oil. Okay.
You ready for this?
Okay. And we're going to just whisk this up a little bit. And so we're going to start by pouring this over our lamb. You want to get it all over. Okay, and I'm just going to flip this over so we can get it all over our lamb leg here. And then we're going to add our seasoning. Okay, and just sprinkle that all over.
Good. So basically, you're using this as a rub. So you're rubbing it in so it absorbs into the lamb.
Okay. Okay. Well, there we go. And just rub it in. It'll be easier with your hand. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to make some little slits in your lamb.
So use a nice pointed, sharp knife.
And you just kind of poke through everywhere.
This is the key flavor infusion that we do.
Okay.
Because into these slits,
And then we have
put
some
slices of garlic.
Yeah, some chopped garlic, and we just fit it right into the slits. Just like that. Like this. Okay, and you just keep going. Okay, and now we're putting our last couple of pieces in here. And this, now, usually what we do is like we like to let this marinate either overnight or for like an hour.
So if you do it
at room
overnight,
temperature.
cover it and refrigerate it. And then bring it to room temperature about a half an hour before you're ready to cook.
Right.
And if you're going to make it the same day, you can let it sit at room temperature for 30 minutes and then put it on the grill.
Yeah. Okay, and so we're going to let this marinate for a little bit, and then we're going to come back and show you how we sear it. Okay. So now we're ready to sear our lamb, and we're going to take it out of our marinade here. Just place it right on a really nice hot grill, and I have this extra little piece here that you can't waste. That's going to go on as well. Okay. We're going to sear this for a few minutes on each side, and then we're medium rare. And then
we have information on the blog and exact temperature and time and all that. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit.
And we're back. And here is our seared lamb. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of our pan, and we're going to let this rest for about 10 minutes before we slice into it. And that allows all the juices to redistribute so it doesn't dry out.
And you can see the beautiful color on this.
And we'll be back to show you the finished product with our red pepper puree. Okay, and we're back. And now our lamb has rested, and we're going to just slice it. And you see you're getting that
A little bit of pink on the
pink inside. And you know, you could cook it a little bit less if you want it to be a little more medium rare.
Or some people like it well done.
Yeah.
But we've got that information on the blog that you could follow it. And once Joanne slices...
See the center here is a nice medium
Oh, it is.
rare.
It's beautiful, yeah.
Okay, and once we've sliced our meat, we just want to lay them out like so. So that you give it a nice little presentation. You can leave it on your cutting board, or you can put it on a platter.
And here we have some roasted red bell pepper sauce that we've
that we just
We
pureed.
pureed in
And
the
it's
food
really simple.
processor.
It's on the blog. We have
Recipes on the blog. We'll have links to everything so you can follow along with these recipes. And then you want to just pour that over the center of your slices.
Beautiful.
And here you have a restaurant style meal in your very own home, Greek island style. Kaliorexi.